Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you're all doing good. So, here I am with a new English lesson. Now, the topic for today is actually, I believe, the teacher's favorite one after summer vacation. I'm sure on the very first day, the English language teacher gives this topic that how I spent my summer vacation. So, in today's lesson, I'll be giving you certain tips and tricks how to handle this topic very well. So, first of all, as usual, what are our objectives for this lesson? That you should know how to communicate effectively in writing, that is, to write with clarity, develop skill in planning, writing, and completing tasks, and then finally, utilize your critical thinking skills. Okay, so let's start the topic. Now, summer vacation reason of joy and happiness. Why? Because you can say that it's best time of the year because it's not only a chance to relax but also explore new things. It's an opportunity to take a break from daily routine. Then, yes, traveling also carries with it some educational value, and here comes the importance of tourism and recreation. You can elaborate the details on it. Now, when you will be talking about the tourism, maybe let's say hiking, camping, then of course, description of weather, I think, is much important, and it a whole huge paragraph can be actually written on it. Now, when we talk about description of weather, it could be hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy, clear or cloudy. Then there are other descriptive words for weather like rainy, humid, foggy, breezy, sunny, scorching hot. For sky, you can use the words overcast, bright, blue, grey, dark. I'll be giving you some quite useful phrases that can be used for the description of weather. You can take notes if you want to. Evening shadows deepened into blue and purple. Students, color imagery has a very good effect on the checker. That is why I am sharing these with you. I'll repeat. Evening shadows deepened into blue and purple. If one imagines, it looks so beautiful. The sun cast a luminescent glow. The sun shone brilliantly and the water in the pond glittered invitingly. The sun filtered through the clouds, signaling the end of the rain. So, these are some beautiful phrases I thought you'll find useful. Okay, now here is this old proverb that goes, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So, what made these vacations best or worst? Now, you can say that in these summer vacation, you learned some new sport, maybe some new skill. It could be some cooking or baking. It could be computer related, some software, anything you learned other than your school textbooks, right? That is going to help you in your life. Then maybe you did some volunteer work in your area or neighborhood, some kind of social work that you volunteered. I'm just giving an idea. You have to think about it. What could it be? Then, if you read any books, you should actually, and please provide their names, right? And maybe you can talk a bit about them. If it's one book, you can just elaborate a bit on it, the characters, what was the storyline, how was it of interest to you. If you watched anything worth mentioning, it could be TED Talks or any other series or season, and you should give brief realistic details so that it actually seems, you have seen this kind of stuff. You can also say that you visited your village, and with the description of the village comes all the beautiful rural scenic details. Okay. I always give importance to the conclusion or closure. Finish or conclude the writing in a way that the reader or your checker feels good and satisfied with everything she has read. So you can conclude by saying that it was definitely one of the best times of my life, and right now I am back in school, reflecting on my accomplishments or failures so far. Okay? Yes, please. I want you people to time yourself, because time management is very important in creative writing. Of course, I'll encourage you to write it in the first place and time yourself. This should not take you more than 40 minutes, right? So that's all for today. Thank you, and your feedback is most welcome. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.